So actually, this is plaster, which is
A material? Oh.
very similar to what corals are made. So yeah, I think the artist is trying to simulate the small pace of coral growth with a layer by layer, and also with the texture.
Oh.
So you need to dirty your hands
And place one by one.
and place it one by one, and then you can appreciate
Wow.
the growth and the slowness.
Oh, that's such a good story.
Great at this.
I'm so.
I am not the artist.
You're not. You sure? You sure? Don't be too humble.
But it's a beautiful thing. You should see it.
It is, it is.
Try it.
And it has to be
When I
built it.
find this kind of
Yes. Wet it and then just put onto the sculpture wherever you want.
Oh.
Yeah, building this. So yes, the artist is inviting everyone to come and do this color city together, right? And then this process of layering, layer by layer, it emulates how coral views itself and grows itself layer by layer as well. So that's the reason why this is called the color.
like people saying that.
I didn't explain that bad, you know?
You sure you're not the artist? There's no.
I was not very bad.
Yeah. Thank you. The picture of how coral feels like.